Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Marvish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a recipe for Tom Yum soup, a Thai soup. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's healthy. It has that tangy notes to it with Thai fishy flavor. So let's go and make it happen. So let's start the recipe with Bismillah. First we need lemongrass for this recipe. If you have fresh lemongrass, that will be great. Otherwise you can buy these jarred sliced lemongrass, or you can use the dry lemongrass which we use for tea, or you can use a lemon zest. So that's what I'm doing, just taking a fresh lemon and zesting it through a zester, and I'll use that in my recipe. So when all the ingredients are ready, now I'm making the stock. For that I'm adding water in a stock pot with some chicken broth. Then I'm adding some ginger, garlic cloves, fresh lemon zest, and now if you have some Thai chilies you can use that. Otherwise you can use dried button chilies as well. Then adding fish sauce, Thai fish sauce with some peppercorns. Put it on the stove and let it cook to one boil, simmer, and let it cook for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Then strain that broth into another cooking pot, and now we'll add some veggies. I already have sliced onions and mushrooms. I'll add that in there and let it cook for at least 3 minutes until they get soft and sweat a little. Then I am adding tomatoes. I already cut the tomatoes into wedges. Now if you want, you can skip the tomatoes completely or chop them very finely, or add the blended tomatoes as well. Adding some frozen shrimps in there and let it cook for 2-3 minutes until they start to curl up. Now I am adding some sugar with some Thai fish sauce and freshly squeezed lime juice. Cook them for like a minute or two, and then you can adjust the seasoning. You can add more sugar if you think it's more tangy, or you can add more lime juice if you think it's on a sweeter side, or to give a more fishy flavor, add the fish sauce. Just ladle it out into a bowl, then top it off with some fresh cilantro and Thai red chilies. Now this is a clear version of Tom Yum soup. You can make a creamy version as well by adding a little bit of evaporated milk and some Thai chili paste. Either way, it's very delicious and very healthy recipe. And if you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.